Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. This is going to be your love reading. Now this is for all sun signs. This is a collective love reading and this will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. We will find out what is your person thinking about you and what are you thinking towards them. So what's happening in your love relationship, and at the end we will pick some love messages also for you. Okay, so we will see what is it that they think about you. So we'll pull some love messages also for you at the end. So this is going to be a general love reading, collective love reading. So let's see what do we have in store for my viewers. We'll see your person's energy. We'll see your person's energy. Okay, the first card is High Priest. Okay, let's see what is your person's energy. Queen of Wands, Ten of Cups. Wow. Guys, this person is somebody, this person finds you very attractive. This person finds you very beautiful, very elegant. And if you are a masculine energy, this person finds you very handsome, good looking. Okay, could be very spiritual. I think you guys are very spiritual. This person finds you spiritual also. They feel that they have learned a lot from you. Okay, or they have, see, I've got so many cards, just a sec. This is Three of Pentacles. This is the shadow side, and I've got this, oh my god, and Seven of Pentacles. So let's see what is there at the bottom of this deck. Sun. Wow. Okay. Guys, this person is somebody who is angry right now. This person is angry on you. This person feels, I feel that you guys are not in talking terms, or there is a distance between both of you. I don't know why am I getting this in all my readings. For my last few readings, I see, I don't know, maybe because of COVID, or I don't know, but I feel that most of you are going through a very difficult phase as far as your love life is concerned, because it cannot be a coincidence. If you go and check my other readings, I have these energies in almost all my readings. I have so many cards here, but I get the same 3-4 cards in all my readings. Some of you are literally going through a lot of pain. Okay, this could be in your relationship. This person is not happy, guys. This person is not happy. There has been a tower moment in your life. Tower moment in the sense, you guys, it's like a very beautiful relationship has stopped all of a sudden. It's not going anywhere. This person is somebody who has had many dreams with you. This person may have made many promises to you. You guys together, you know, you build a castle for your future. But what happened? Do you see? This is what happened. Why? Why has this happened? Why has this happened? Now, there are two reasons that I see here. See, this person is somebody, guys. This person sees you as a Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords. This person knows that you are a person, they cannot take you for granted. You are somebody who knows your value. If this person takes you for granted, this person knows that you're gone. This person knows that you are a woman of high character or a man of a high character. This person views you as an empress. This person views you as a Queen of Wands. You know, I think this person, when this started, when you guys met each other, could be after many years. Okay, for some of you, this could be an ex of yours who may have come back in your life and you started dating. You just connected and it just happened. That could also be there for some of you. But this person, when it started, when your relationship started, I feel that this person thought that it's a casual relationship. They just didn't know that it will turn out to be something so serious. You know, this has turned out to be something so serious that this person is going through pain. You see, this person is not happy. This person This person is somebody who cannot focus on work right now. They want to work, but then they cannot focus on work. Why? Look at this. This person is thinking about you day in and day out. For some of you, I certainly see that there is a third party involvement again. Okay, there is a third party person. Maybe this person you are dealing with. Now this is for some of you. I don't know why I see a third party here. Okay, we have the Three of Pentacles here. We have the Tower moment here and High Priestess. Definitely there are two choices. This person has two choices. Now this person has two choices, but then this person wants to get married to you. This person doesn't want the second person, whoever they are dealing with, because they feel that you are the woman with substance. This person knows that they cannot find another you. You know, you could be a man, you could be a woman, doesn't matter. But this person is somebody, they know that their heart is stuck on you. Okay, so this person wants to marry you. Look at this. This person sees a happy marriage with you. This person sees children with you. They want to have babies with you. You are their happiness. You see the sun in your, oh my God. Now this is no joke. I shuffled these cards in front of you. Didn't I just say that there is a third party involvement? Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups, High Priest. Is this a joke? I didn't know this. I would have pulled 2-3 more cards, but I just stopped. I thought, let it be. I will pull 8 cards today. But look, there are so many cards in this deck. I shuffled in front of you, but I have this card again. See, Three of Cups. I said that this person is confused between 2 to 3 people. At least 2 people. I don't see 3, but 2 people. So, but look at this. Didn't I just say this person is in, oh my God, Five of Swords. Look. This person is in depression, guys. Some of you, I think this is a message for you. Maybe this person is somebody who may not be talking to you, or even if they are, it's very less. Whatever it is, I think you guys will have to support this person if you can, because this person is literally not happy. This person is in pain. This person is somebody who is thinking about you day in and day out, and they don't know what to do. It's like they want to take a decision, but things are stuck. This person is stuck between 2 people. See, you are their happiness. You are the happiness. I think you guys are not talking to this person. All right, maybe some of you are not talking to this person. Four of Swords, or there is this distance that has come in your relationship all of a sudden. Their life is incomplete without you. But now, I was not going to pull 10 cards today, but look, maybe I had to get this message. Anyways, so see, this person is somebody who feels, you know guys, this person knows that you have done so much for this person and they have done nothing for you. You see, Three of Pentacles with Seven of Pentacles. This person feels that they have done so much. You have done so much for this person, not they, I'm sorry. This person feels that you have done so much for this person in the past. I certainly feel that some of you have literally done a lot for this person. Maybe you have helped this person financially. Maybe you have helped this person emotionally, not financially, because as far as finances are concerned, I feel that this person is well off. Okay, I don't see any financial pressure on this person so far, but maybe you have helped this person emotionally, or maybe you entered this person's life when they were at the lowest phase. You came out of the blue like a sun in their life, and see, this person is somebody you have made them question their own thought. It is like this person was in a stable relationship, you entered their life, and this person is now confused because they have realized that they are in love with you, not the other person. This person has realized that you are the one that they feel happy with. See, Sun. So many cards. Why did I get this card? I got this card for you. I could have got any other card there. This is the most beautiful card in the entire deck. You know what does this card mean? This card means reconciliation also in some cases, because this has come with the Ten of Cups. This has come with Queen of Wands. So this card also means that some of you are going to get reconciled. Okay, there is reconciliation. Even if you are not talking, you do not worry, because you are going to come back together. Okay. Now this person is somebody who may have had some childhood issues also. This person has had a bad past. You are dealing with somebody who may have had some childhood trauma. This person, there is some childhood trauma attached to your person, okay, because of which this person is unstable. You may notice that this person is somebody who is in and out in this relationship, or this person is somebody who may not express a lot as far as their love is concerned. You may find that this person is not expressive, because I feel that there is a childhood pain that is attached to this person. For some of you, I feel that this person is not well physically. Some of you, this person could be having some back problem, or or something connected to their legs. Maybe this person has problem, or they are healing. Okay, I do see healing. Physical injury could be in their leg or could be in their back. So this person is going through some physical healing also right now. Okay. Guys, this person is somebody who is going through some legal process also. This person is going through a lot of pressure at the same time. It is like they are going through this problem with you, okay, this issue, the separation with you. They are going through some court cases also. This person is somebody who is elder to you. In some cases, I feel you are dealing with somebody who could be elder to you. I do see age gap between both of you. Okay, that could also be the thing. Now, what is happening is, guys, this person is having sleepless nights over you. This person is not happy, stuck in pain, depression. To cut the entire story short, this person is in pain right now because this person wants you, and I feel that this person is not getting to see you or meet you. There is this difference, there is this distance that has come between both of you. This person wants to get married to you. Do you see High Priest here? This person wants to get married to you. See, their life is incomplete. You know what? This person feels that you are their happiness. You are everything that they ever thought of. This person knows that they are not going to get this love from anybody else. This third party is there with this person. Maybe this third party is using this person financially. Okay, that could also, and this person knows it. This person knows that there is no emotional love with this third party. In fact, you know what? This person just didn't know what love is until you entered their life. This person didn't know what true love is until you entered this person's life. For some of you, I feel that this person knows that third party is with them because of money. Okay, that is also one thing. This person feels that you have hurt them in some way. This person is like, why have you stopped talking to me all of a sudden? Why don't you give me the attention that you were giving me in the past? So this is their thought process for you. This person views you as a Queen of Wands. This person knows that they cannot take you for granted. They know that you are very rare. To find a person like you is very rare. You could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah. Leo, Aries, very strong. Could be Taurus also. Taurus is also very strong here. Some of you could be a Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, because these sun signs are very strong. Or you could be dealing with somebody with this sun sign. Okay. Yeah. So what is happening is, I think this person, guys, this person wants clarity. This person is seeking clarity. This person feels that they have to make a decision to be with you. This person knows that they have never done anything for you. Okay, it is only you who may have invested in this relationship in the past. This person now wants to do justice. This person now wants to do something for you. But what has happened is, all of a sudden, the tower moment between both of you, because of which you both are not in talking terms, or there is this separation, or you know, who comes first, that kind of energy. It's like this person doesn't want to bend, you don't want to bend. So that's the energy. Okay, so let's see what are your energies. For some of you, I feel that this person is somebody, this person does not want to go against their family. Maybe their family is against you. That could also be the thing. I feel that maybe their family is against you, or there is a strong woman involved in their life who is against this relationship. This could be their mother. Somebody is against this relationship with you, because of which this person is stuck. This person is stuck. Sometimes this person feels that this relationship with you is just next to impossible. It is not going to happen. Okay, but then still this person wants to make it happen. This person wants to fight for you. This person will go to any extent to be with you. This person is somebody who has seen so many dreams with you. See, 10 of Cups. This person has already dreamt of getting married to you, having children with you. I think you both have seen these dreams with each other, to get married, to have child. Some of you, you could be married to this person already. Maybe this person is your spouse. Okay. But whatever it is, guys, I feel that this third party is temporary. This third party is temporary. You don't have to worry. This is for you, my viewers. This third party is temporary in your relationship, because I know that what I see is this person is going to leave this third party for you. This person is going to leave this third party for you. So how can a person be with a third party when they see the happiness with you? You tell me. When they see their happiness with you, how can this person be with this third party? No, this person is going to leave third party. In fact, they are already in this stage where they are planning how to get rid of third party, and this is only because of you. So let's see. We'll see what are your energies. We'll see what are your energies. This person wants a new beginning with you. In fact, this person is already planning how to, you know, get you, how, oh shit, I'm so sorry, I've got many cards. So I have the Three of Swords. Didn't I say third party involvement, guys? This card just flipped down. So didn't I say third party? You guys are in pain. Literally, you guys are in pain. And this is because of a third party. You know it. You know it very well. For some of you, maybe you are also involved in some other relationship, especially if you're married. Maybe you're married to somebody else, but that's not working out and you are in love with this person. That could also be the thing. Maybe you are in some other relationship. Okay, that could also be the thing. But look at this. This is your state. You guys are also in pain. Some of you, you feel that this relationship is almost over. There is no chance of this relationship getting revived. I see that. Some of you, you literally feel that this relationship is over. Look at this Tower and Three of Swords. Okay, I've got one more card. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, I've got one more card. Oh my God, look at this. Three of Cups and Three of Cups. Is this a joke? Didn't I say third party involvement, guys? One more card for my viewers. One more card. Okay, I've got one more card. Exact. Four of Cups. This is at the bottom of this deck. Six of Wands. Wow, I'm so happy. Finally. Now, what are your energies? As I said, you guys are in pain. You are in pain. You are hurt. You're waiting for this person to take action towards you. You are also in this energy of Knight of Pentacles. You don't know what to do in this relationship. You are stuck. You don't know what to do. However, deep within, you want a fresh new start with this person. You want a new beginning with this person. Some of you, you're literally waiting. It's like you feel like approaching this person. Maybe you're trying to revive this, okay? Some of you, I literally feel that you want to revive this relationship. Maybe you're already trying to revive. Or some of you, you could be waiting for this person to take initiative. Third party involvement, yes. Some of you, you are somebody who knows that this third party will not last long in this person's life. Maybe you know it. Somehow I feel that you know that this person loves you a lot. This person will do anything to be with you. Okay, you know, this is your gut feeling. You know it. Okay, so that is why maybe you are a bit relaxed. You are in pain. This pain is because of separation. This pain is because maybe you guys are not talking to each other, or you guys are not meeting each other. That could be that. But somehow you see victory with this person. You know that things are going to get better. So some of you, I feel that you know in your heart that things are going to get better. Some of you, you're going to get married very soon. Very soon. This could be this year. A new life is going to start for you. Okay, you're going to get married because this person is going to come rushing to you. It's like I see that you both cannot live without each other. Okay, you want marriage. This person wants marriage. So what will this third party do? This third party has to leave. Maybe if you are involved with third party, you may leave a third party to be with this person, and this person will leave this person to be with you. Okay, because the love is divine between both of you. Four of Cups. Some of you, you have literally lost hope in this relationship. You feel that things cannot get any worse than this. You are in this energy where you feel that things are already over. Okay, you literally feel that things are over. Yeah, it's like, I think you may have had a breakup. For some of you, you are divorced. I do see divorce. Okay, maybe your divorce case is on, or this person is getting divorced. I do see legal issues also, court issues also. You are in this place where you are indifferent to the outcome. You are like, just like, you're not bothered. It is like you feel that whatever happens, let it happen. Okay, your energy is such that you feel, if he comes back or if she comes back, fine, otherwise I'm ready to move on. However, you don't want to move on. There's this deep desire of this person coming back, apologizing, things getting better. You want a new beginning with this person, but somehow you have reached a point where you are indifferent, at least now. Okay, I feel that you guys are indifferent. Could be that there is this emotional distance between both of you. As I said, you guys are not talking. You want this person to get out of the third party. Okay, you want this person to get rid of third party. Yeah, that is something I see. You want this person to get rid of the third party. For some of you, I feel that you have had a failed marriage in the past. Could be that you are divorced. Yeah, okay, divorced, or there has been a breakup in the past. I do see that for some of you. Or at least, or some could be that you're going through a divorce or a breakup with somebody else, and this is a new person you are involved with. That could also be the thing. Okay, I feel that you guys feel that everybody who has come in your life in your past, they have taken undue advantage of you. I do see that you guys are very innocent at heart. Okay, so you feel sometimes, especially if you are a woman, doesn't matter, this could be a man also, but I feel that you feel that everybody has taken undue advantage of you, whoever has come in your life in your past. So maybe you have had failed marriages, failed relationships, whatever, but you feel disheartened. You are going through that pain. Okay, somehow I feel that you have this pain in your heart. So you know what, guys, you both are not happy without each other. You both are not happy without each other. See, this is their energy, this is your energy. This says it all. You guys are not happy without them, they are not happy without you. Still, it is like you both do not, it's like nobody has the guts or courage to take things forward. This person wants you to go and approach them, you want this person to come and approach you. That is something that I see here. Okay, I do see ego issues also. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who is dominating, or this person is somebody who is at a very authoritative position, and they may be somebody who wants you to take initiative towards them. Could be that you're dealing with somebody who is dominating. Alright, so let's see, guys, something more. We'll see your energy first, then we'll see your person's energy. We'll see your energy. Guidance. Some of you, you're literally seeking guidance. Okay, maybe you're praying a lot, you are asking universe to help you, give you some signs on what to do. Some of you, you're literally seeking guidance from the divine. Okay, could be that you're praying, you're manifesting this person because you want this. You guys are in this place where you are literally, you're thinking about this person 24 hours. This person is somebody, it is not just you guys, you both are manifesting each other. This person is thinking about you, you are thinking about them. That is why you both are connected to each other telepathically. Yeah, you both are not happy without each other for sure. Let's see what are your energies. Let's see your energies, then we'll see your person's energy. We'll see your energy first. Okay. The Lovers. Look at this. You love this person so much. So much. This card is an assurance. This card is a confirmation that you guys are in a soulmate relationship. Okay. Projections. See? Look at this. Lovers and projections. You both are connected to each other at soul level. I feel that you guys are connected to each other not from this birth, maybe from many births in the past, or not, if not many, at least one birth. You may have spent with this person at least one birth. Okay, that is why you guys are connected to each other telepathically. Literally, look at this, lovers and projections. The burden and traveling. Some of you are going to get married to this person. I see this with the High Priestess here, 6 of Wands here. Where did this go? 6 of Wands, where did, yeah, this. So some of you, I think you're going to get married to this person, okay, or could be engaged this year, because you guys are going to come back together. I do see reconciliation, okay. So maybe this person is somebody who may take an instant decision to get married to you, but this will happen post they get out of this third party. And I think this person is already in this process. They are trying their best to get out of this third party. Traveling, so I do see honeymoon. Maybe you will travel this year. Some of you are going to travel soon. And burden. Some of you are literally in pain. You feel that this relationship is a burden. You don't know what to do. Should I get rid of this relationship? Should I get rid of this person? Move on? But there's something that doesn't let you move on also because of your divine connection with this person. So you don't know what to do. You don't know. You are just going with the flow. I see that energy where you're just going with the flow. You don't know what do you do, but you are stuck with this person. Okay. Let's see your person's feeling. You'll see your person. I feel that you guys are dealing with somebody who is very spiritual, or as I said, this person could be elder to you, okay, or this person is somebody who is very matured. That could be the thing, elder to you or matured, okay, and also spiritual. You guys are dealing with somebody who is spiritual. This person is seeking guidance, okay. This person is somebody who is, it's like you are seeking guidance from universe. This person is also seeking guidance from universe. You both are connecting to the divine to get guidance in this relationship. Existence. See, this person just doesn't know what to do. This person is just there. This person is somebody who is at a place where they don't want to lose you, but yet this person cannot do anything about this entire thing. They are stuck. They are just being there. They just don't want to lose you. Let's pull out some more cards for you. Okay, I've got 2 cards. Laziness. See, this person is in this place, you know guys, you feel that this person should come and approach you, but this person is like, no, you know, I'm not going to go and approach this person. Let this person come and approach me. It's like I said, ego games. This person is somebody who is expecting you to approach this person. You're not talking to this person. Breakthrough. See, this person is waiting for a miracle. I see that not only this, I saw that for you also. Some of you both are waiting for a miracle in your life. This person is waiting for a miracle. As I said, for some of you, this person feels that you are involved somewhere else, and this person wants you to get out of that relationship. This person wants some miracle to happen in this relationship so that you both can come together and you both can be together. This person is waiting for some miracle. They are planning and they are strategizing on how to get you. This is their feeling. This person wants to get you, come what may. It's like, this person is somebody who is not going to leave you so easily. Maybe this person is somebody who may have made many promises with you. This person would have told you that, you know, I cannot live without you. You are my world. I see that this person is somebody who is waiting for a moment of breakthrough, waiting for a miracle to happen in this relationship. So let's see guys, what will be their love messages for you. Let's see what will be their love messages for my viewers. How do they think about you? What are their feelings towards you? We'll see how does this person feel for you and what will be their love messages for you. Please give me a message for my viewers. Please give me a message. Okay, I've got 2 cards. I am a one-woman man. Oh my God. Oh my God. This person is somebody who is telling you that this person is going to be very loyal to you. if they get married to you. That is, I told you, this person wants to get out of this relationship so that they can be loyal to you in the future. I'm a one woman man. Okay, this is especially for all my feminine viewers. You're dealing with somebody who is a loyal person. Maybe not now, maybe this person is involved somewhere else, but this person is somebody who wants to be loyal to you. They see you as a queen of wands. They want to be loyal to you. It is like your aura is such that this person just doesn't feel like cheating on you. Okay, so this person deep inside, they feel that once they get married to you, they are going to be loyal to you. That kind of thoughts this person has for you. I remember you every day. See, I told you, you guys are not in talking terms. Some of you, this person is missing you. This person remembers you. Okay, I've got one more card. I will love your child as mine. You don't have to worry on that. Oh my God. Some of you, you could be a single parent. Okay, you could be a single parent, and this person, this card is a confirmation. Maybe you are a single mother or a single father. This person is telling you that they are going to love your child as theirs. I told you, some of you, you both are in two different relationships. So this is a confirmation here. Okay, let me see what else. Let me see what other messages do I have. Okay, I've got one more card. I think we should go with the flow and not think about the future. Didn't I just say this person is being there? You are going with the flow. This person is also. It's like this person is waiting for a breakthrough moment, waiting for a miracle in your relationship. I think we should go with the flow and not think about the future. Let me see. Give me. Okay, I've got one more card. You are too adorable. Okay, this person finds you very adorable. Let's see what else do I have for my viewers. Okay, one more card. I love our long chats and conversations. This person loves talking to you. This person loves seeing your messages, chats. Okay, maybe when you are not there, this person keeps seeing your messages. They keep reading your text or messages. Okay, let's see. Okay, one more. You're kiddish. I told you, this person is somebody who is matured, and that has come in this reading twice already before. This is a third time. Okay, I told you, this person feels that you are kiddish, my viewer. You are kiddish. For some of you, this person is elder to you. There is an age gap. Okay, I've got, oh my God, I've got 3 cards here. The first is, you're my best friend. Okay, maybe you were best friends in the past. I will convince my family for us. I love your cheeks. And the last, we have a spiritual connection. Okay, I'll take this. You are an angel. I'll take all. You are an angel. I love your cheeks. We have a spiritual connection. I told you, this person finds you very divine. You have an aura attached to you. So this person feels that there is a divine connection between both of you. And this person has never had that feeling with somebody else, at least with this third party. You know why, guys? I told you, you guys are connected on soul level. Okay, look at this. You guys connect to each other telepathically. Okay, whatever you think, this person will sense that. I won't say this person will know everything that you think, but whenever you miss them, they will miss you. You know, that kind of energy. If you cry, there will be a pain in this person's heart. Or they'll go through some uneasiness if you cry, or if they cry, you will go through that feeling of uneasiness. So you guys are connected to each other telepathically. Yeah. Some of you, I think you were best friends in the past, and then you got into this relationship. You developed these feelings towards each other. You got into this affair. Okay, that could also be the thing. And yeah, that is it. So that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, so that was that. You guys take care, be safe, bye bye.